Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active 3 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Then scroll down and tap on Voice Input. Following that, tap on one of the available ones, Samsung or Google. When you're done, go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Visible Microphone. Then start typing. When you're done, hit on this button with a microphone. You can start typing again by clicking on it one more time. If you want to go back completely, you can do that by tapping on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!